Best Halloween Safety Apps for Kids 2025. Keep trick-or-treating smart and secure. Halloween is thrilling for kids, but hectic for parents keeping track of little trick-or-treaters. Modern technology, from location-sharing apps and SOS alerts to wearables and geofencing, makes monitoring kids easier. Some old family safety apps no longer meet privacy standards or work reliably. Top new safety apps and tools for Halloween 2025. As older apps decline, new AI-powered real-time mapping platforms offer parents safer, more private ways to monitor their kids. Find My, Apple, and Family link at Google. iOS and Android's built-in family tracking is more reliable than third-party apps, offering location sharing and geofence alerts. These free integrated tools excel for families seeking easy and secure tracking. Bark and Custodio. These modern parental control suites exceed basic filtering, incorporating live location sharing, geofences, SOS alerts, and battery notifications, ideal for families using digital safety tools. KiteString. Unlike continuous trackers, KiteString uses text messages for check-ins. If missed, emergency contacts are notified, making it ideal for teens needing occasional safety oversight. Nextdoor Treat Map. This app highlights homes with candy and ensuring Halloween routes in well-lit neighborhoods. Pairing with Life 360 enhances both fun and safety. Smartwatch trackers. TikTok, AngelSense, Garmin Bounce. For younger kids, GPS-enabled smartwatches provide tracking and two-way calls. Models like TikTok 4 and AngelSense offer real-time tracking and alerts, combined with Life 360 for a full safety setup.
Go to GearBrain for more information.